Building a business today is a lot like building a home. It begins with a blueprint, a vision taking shape, and the tenacity and commitment to see it through. 20 years ago, Standard Bank helped SA Home Loans kickstart a new era in the South African debt capital markets. As the new kid on the block, SA Home Loans had the boldness of vision to revolutionize the South African securitization market, and in Standard Bank, they found a partner to join them on that journey, on the long, exhilarating, unpredictable, and untrodden road ahead.
This partnership is the prototype of what really works in good partnerships, which is creating additional value, not just for the two corporates involved, but for our clients as well.
Come with us now as we retrace those steps and celebrate their first 2 decades of growth.
They are simply the best in South Africa at originating home loans. They're also, of course, pioneers in developing the home loan securitization market. Over the years, I remember many of our conservative colleagues sometimes saying that they just didn't understand why we're invested in such an effective rival. And I had to explain to them that we gain a lot more from that relationship than we lose in Standard Bank's share of home loan market. Our clients, our shareholders, and indeed South African society are all much better served thanks to this partnership.
When we reflect on the journey of our business over the past 23 years, there have been a number of important milestones and business partnerships along the way. Probably none more important than our very first securitization, Tugweni 1, 20 years ago. That was groundbreaking not only for SA Home Loans, but for the debt markets as a whole. It proved that our business model could work, and the support that we have received from the capital market investor community ever since has been essential to our success and our ability to have a positive impact on the housing market. Equally importantly over that time has been the partnership that we've enjoyed with Standard Bank. Almost from the very start, the personal relationships and the business support across the investment bank and the retail bank through the best of times and our most challenging years has been a cornerstone and part of the foundation of a journey which has now enabled home ownership for more than 300,000 South Africans and counting.
Yeah, it's actually been a remarkable partnership. It's a partnership in which over periods of time, we've had to support SA Home Loans, and over periods of time, they've supported our business. Both when you look at the detail of origination that's been happening in the market, and at points in time when for things like the global financial crisis, origination has dried up, or more recently in the COVID crisis when liquidity became a problem. This has genuinely been one of those symbiotic relationships, which has meant that we've both helped each other as we've grown and developed over time. Relationship that's built on a core set of values. And while the people have changed and the personalities have changed, those core sets of values have never changed.
And so from a Standard Bank perspective, the more time we spent understanding the business and the management team, I think the richer the partnership became.
Whatever the times and tides have held in store, we've been proud to be there with SA Home Loans as they have weathered the storm. That's why, even at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, SA Home Loans were able to continue blazing a trail. It's clear that SA Home Loans have made their mark in the markets. We've seen them evolve from a small startup to a giant in both the South African capital market and home loan sector. And we're proud to have been a part of their journey every step of the way, listening, supporting, advising. now and in the future.
I think a defining moment in the partnership between SA Home Loans and Standard Bank was the global financial crisis in 2008 and 2009. The two teams had to work closely together to overcome a number of insurmountable challenges. And coming out of that, a highlight was our Tugweni 8 transaction. It was the first securitization coming out of the crisis. It led the reopening of the capital markets. And I think it was testament to the endeavor and determination of both teams.
To the team in SA Home Loans, hearty congratulations. Not a lot of businesses ultimately, particularly in our beloved industry, actually end up being 20 years old. Hearty congratulations for everything that you've achieved. Immense amount of entrepreneurial spirit, resilience, and ability to pivot. I am looking forward to partnering with you in the next 20 years.
The reason why SA Home Loans has done so brilliantly is that it's consistently innovative, it's very well run, and the people are sharply focused on meeting client needs, a truly client-centric business. It's been a tremendous pleasure and a privilege to partner with SA Home Loans over the last 20 years, and we look forward to many more years of partnership ahead.
And on every step of the way, overcoming challenge, seizing opportunity, Standard Bank has been right there with their partners in progress. Thank you, SA Home Loans, for allowing us to be part of your phenomenal story and being such an important part of ours.